Found this one at my local store for 25 cents. That's crazy. I don't know what happened, but yes, I get it for 25 cents. And online I think it's $7 or $8. But look, it's working. New. This is Emily. Nice. Let's see, James. I think it has the same pattern, same blinking options, lights. Look. I am not a collector, and so I don't care. Let's open it. What is this? Oh, come on, get out of here. Don't collect anything. So I just want to open and show. Look, nice. It looks really nice because it's clear, transparent, green model engine. Awesome. I wonder if how to replace the batteries. Oh, you have the screw. It does require 2 batteries. I think I have a big box of batteries for those, so we can play with this a lot. I remember I found some of these on a long time ago. I bought a lot where I found some of these. I think it was a step-in. But anyways, here is James. Let's take a closer look. It looks really nice. I mean, it's new, that's why. That's the reason it's really shiny and very nice. There is the face. Let's put them side by side. I'm not good at these things, but they look really cool because of the light. Nice. Excellent, excellent. Okay, just a boring day. That's why I'm doing this video. Thanks for watching.